Welcome home to 993 Hamilton Avenue, Unit J in Seaside. This is the downstairs 1-bedroom, 1-bath. As you walk in, you're met with your spacious bedroom. The unit is equipped with new flooring throughout and fresh paint. The bedroom is equipped with a walk-in closet, and for your convenience, your carport is just outside the front door. This unit is a total gem. Come and check out the rest with me. To your left, you have your full bathroom. Down the hallway, you have more closet space and a spacious living room area. The windows are very large and allow plenty of natural light to come in. Your kitchen is equipped with new countertops, cabinets, and beautiful brand new stainless steel appliances. There is a coin-op laundry on site. This apartment complex is located near many amenities. And if you love to entertain, wait until you see this huge and spacious backyard. To book an appointment, give us a call at 831-484-4604 or apply online at 36northpm.com. Thank you.
831-484-4604.